Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. First, gather your tools like a small screwdriver and a new cabin air filter. It's important to ensure your new filter is the correct size and type for your vehicle. You'll also need to locate the glove box, as the filter housing is typically found behind it. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's access the filter. Begin by emptying everything from your glove box. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the retaining stops. This allows the glove box to swing down further. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Carefully unclip this to fully open the glove box and expose the filter housing. With the glove box out of the way, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. There's usually a small clip or two holding its cover in place. Unclip these and remove the cover. Carefully pull out the old filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter, as the new one must be installed with the arrow pointing in the same direction, typically downwards. Slide the new filter in gently. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover and secure its clips. Now, it's time to reassemble the glove box. Reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Then, push the sides of the glove box inward again to guide it back into its original position, ensuring it latches securely. This simple maintenance should be done every 15,000 miles or once a year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.